Hi, welcome back to Carfagna's. My name's Amanda Rogers, head bartender, and today I'm going to be walking you through our Limoncello Martini. So to start for this, we use Carfagna's house-made citrus vodka. So we're going to do 1.5 ounces here. And then limoncello, this is 0.75 ounces. Next, we're going to move on to fresh squeezed lemon juice, again 0.75 ounces. And finally, our fresh baked simple syrup, again 0.75 ounces. As far as ingredients go, we're all set there. So next we just need to get it shaken up. So we're going to do a heaping scoop of ice. We're going to give this a nice hard shake, get everything thoroughly combined. And go ahead and strain here. And this is served up, of course, as a martini should be. And lastly, we just have to top it with our garnish. We love to use dehydrated fruit, so this is a dehydrated lemon right on the top there. Very simple, very delicious, great for summertime. Limoncello Martini.